Get ready to capture every moment as we dive into the best voice recorders you can grab right now. From portable pocket options to pro-grade studio mics, this list has something for every voice and budget. Whether you're podcasting, streaming, or field recording, these picks are built to sound clear and glow with character. Today, I'm going to be going over the best voice recorders that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic voice recorder. From the moment you pick it up, you notice how compact and accessible the control layout is. The chassis is slim but sturdy, with a tactile power button, a single red record key, and a small multifunction wheel that lets you scrub through files, adjust gain, and switch between stereo and mono recording modes without hunting through menus. This model supports common recording formats like WAV and MP3, with selectable bitrates that range from a crisp 128 kbps for quick notes to a detailed 320 kbps for in-depth conversations. Mic capsule is a small omnidirectional element that does a credible job in a quiet room, catching voices at conversational distances with a natural, balanced tone. For field use, it includes a micro SD slot that accepts cards up to 32 gigabytes, which gives you several hours of high-quality audio before you need to offload. Battery life is practical rather than glamorous. With default settings, it can run for roughly 12 to 20 hours on a single charge, depending on sampling rate and whether active noise reduction features are turned on. There's a built-in speaker for quick playback and a 3.5 headphone jack for private listening, which makes it handy for journalists listening back a tricky interview in a noisy hallway. When you're recording in a meeting or a classroom, you'll notice the Vox or voice activation option kicks in smoothly, waking the device and saving space whenever the room goes quiet. This is complemented by a simple but effective wind reduction filter if you're outdoors, and a few preset profiles that optimize gain and saturation for voice, ensuring you don't clip on loud bursts or too soft whispers. File management is straightforward. You can rename files, create folders, and move content to a computer over USB-C with minimal fuss. In daily use, the generic platform remains dependable and unobtrusive, a tool you forget you're using until you need it. Compared to the digital voice recorder, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this model emphasizes portability and battery life over top-tier mic arrays or advanced meeting features, delivering consistent voice capture that's perfect for quick notes, on-site interviews, and budget-conscious setups. At number 4, we have the digital voice recorder. Digital voice recorder shown here is designed for high fidelity capture with a focus on clarity and versatility in a wider range of environments. The build feels a touch more robust, with 2 small built-in omnidirectional mics that work together to deliver a clean stereo image, especially when recording lectures, panel discussions, or a quiet office environment. You'll find support for WAV and MP3 formats, and many models in this class can push up to 96 kHz sampling and 24-bit depth in WAV mode, which translates to richer ambience and more subtle nuances in speech. Internal memory on these devices is generally larger than the most basic models, often 8 to 16 gigabytes, so you can record longer sessions before needing to offload content. An external microSD slot is common, frequently supporting up to 64 gigabytes or more, which is a handy buffer when you're capturing long meetings or seminars. Microphone sensitivity is adjustable, giving you a choice between a crisp voice-forward setting or a wider field that picks up room reverberations. Noise reduction and low-cut filters help suppress hums and wind noise, though you'll still want to keep a reasonable distance from the subject to avoid room echo. Charging is usually via USB-C, which makes it easy to power up off a laptop or power bank when you're on the move. For playback, the built-in speaker is clear enough for a quick review, and the headphone out gives you accurate monitoring for editing or transcribing on the go. This kind of device often includes a few smart features like auto gain, time-stamped file naming, and a simple managerial interface that helps you organize files by date or session. Compared to the generic voice recorder, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the digital voice recorder prioritizes higher sonic fidelity and longer sessions, but at the cost of a slightly larger footprint and longer setup time for beginners. At number 3, we have the EVIDA 9296. This model steps into the meeting and lectures niche with deliberate attention to capture intelligible voices in a crowded room. The device uses a digital signal processor that helps separate speech from background noise, and it often features a small array of built-in mics arranged to create a balanced stereo field for voices at different distances. You'll typically get a 3-point microphone setup that can be configured for conference mode, interview mode, or classroom mode, letting the device tune its sensitivity and steering to minimize glare from glare and chatter in the periphery. In terms of formats, expect WAV and MP3 options with typical sampling rates up to 48 or 96 kHz and 16 to 24-bit depth, depending on the chosen profile. This recorder usually ships with a more substantial internal memory, plus a generous microSD slot for expanded storage. Useful when you're taking back-to-back lectures, panel debates, or lengthy interviews. Notable feature is a dedicated meetings-friendly interface that shows time-stamped entries, easy bookmarking, and a search function that lets you locate specific speakers or topics by name or keyword. The device also tends to include a line-in microphone input, which is great if you want to pair with a lavalier or a tabletop mic for better voice isolation. Battery life is solid, often delivering a full day of use on a single charge with typical default settings for speech. Comparing the EVIDA 9296 to the digital voice recorder, which I've placed at number 4, you'll notice that the EVIDA 9296 leans into multi-mic capture and meeting-centric features, whereas the digital voice recorder is more about generic high-fidelity. At number 2, we have the Elasound 132G. This one is built with an emphasis on ultra-portability and pragmatic day-to-day usage, packing a surprising amount of capabilities into a featherweight shell. The device weighs barely more than a small pack of cards and slides easily into a pocket for interviews, street journalism, or field reporting. Despite the lightness, it doesn't skimp on audio quality. It uses a paired microphone system that favors voice clarity while still delivering reasonable ambience when you're recording a panel discussion in a small room. File formats include WAV and MP3, with common bitrates and sampling rates that ensure clean, intelligible speech. Memory is generous for a device this small, often with 32 GB of internal storage and a microSD expansion option to keep up with long shifts. Battery life is optimized for all-day use, commonly letting you record for many hours when you're moving through crowds and conducting quick interviews. A practical feature is automatic noise suppression that reduces HVAC hum, traffic rumble, and other low-frequency noise that can muddy dialogue without flattening the natural warmth of the voice. Ergonomics are friendly. One-button recording, a sturdy hold grip, and a clear status LED that shows recording status at a glance. In addition, a micro USB or USB-C port makes it easy to transfer files to a laptop or cloud service when you're done on location. Compared to the EVIDA 9296, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Elasound 132G prioritizes portability and sustained day-long use. Trades off some multi-mic meeting features for a light form factor that's ideal for on-the-go recording. At number 1, we have the generic voice recorder. When you're aiming for a single, dependable tool that can handle a variety of professional tasks, this is the one that sits at the top of the list. The build quality is stable, with a robust chassis and a straightforward control scheme that invites confidence even in high-pressure environments. Audio specs commonly reach WAV and MP3 formats with multiple sampling rates up to 48 kHz or higher in some models, offering crisp, clean voice capture across different distances. Microphone array, although compact, focuses on minimizing clipping and background hiss through a combination of automatic gain control and a gentle high-pass filter tuned to speech, ensuring dialogues remain clear whether you're recording a podcast, a remote interview, or a courtroom proceeding. Expanded storage is a major plus here. You'll typically find 32 to 128 GB of internal memory, plus microSD expansion, so you can keep sessions uncompressed and ready for transcription. Battery life is a practical balance, enough to cover lengthy interviews, lectures, and fieldwork without constant recharging, with USB-C charging that speeds up returns to readiness. Interface design prioritizes speed, one-click recording, quick access bookmarks, and a fingerprint of portability that means you can sling it over your shoulder or slip it into a bag easily. For professionals who want a reliable, all-around device that's not tied to a specific environment, this option offers honest, versatile performance with a broad compatibility footprint for software and editing suites. Compared to the Elasound 132G, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the generic voice recorder at the top end delivers a more balanced blend of internal memory, feature depth, and overall steadiness in diverse settings, though it may be a touch less rugged or compact than the lightweight option for users who need minimal gear weight.